Hi there! So I'm back at it again with another video. It's been a while since I actually stopped eating stuff like kurkure and all. Vishal, hasn't been like a pretty long time since I bought a pack of kurkure.
Yeah, close to a good 4 to 5 months.
Yeah. So I was just thinking what would be the alternative for stuff like that, a healthy alternative. Kurkure is probably one of my most favorite snacks. So something that can be, consumed replaceably would be ideal. So I just went ahead and bought 8 healthy snacks. I know they are not as healthy, but healthy-ish snacks from Swiggy Instamart actually. So I found these on that application. I went ahead and ordered them, and now let's see how they taste and if they measure up to any normal Indian snack. So the first one that we're gonna try is something called the 2 Yum Veggie Sticks. And this is in the flavor chili chatka. So let's just give it a try. As you can see, it's like one tube. Instead of a cylindrical tube, it's kind of cubish and it's hollow in the between.
I have a strange feeling that this might be a little spicy. I can smell the spice here.
It's not very spicy actually.
But probably the masalas are so strong.
It's baked and not fried, so that's a good thing, and it says protein goodness. It's nice, it's not very spicy or anything. Yeah. If any of you had something called corn puff murmura that we get actually, it's one of my favorites. Again, that's also baked. Vishal knows how much I love my corn puffs. This tastes somewhat similar, but with a slightly bit more smell of chili. It doesn't exactly taste of that garishly red chili flavor. It's nice, it's subtle, it has a little bit of sweetness, it is a little salty, I can say that. But yeah, overall this is nice. I like the flavor of this. So the next one we're gonna try is popped potato chips. I mean, like popcorn, popped potato chips. I don't know, let's just give it a try. It's called Tags Fit Lit Snacktivity, if you can see. And it's in the flavor Masala Trekkin. The pack feels very, very light, to be honest. And let me try opening it. Am I going to become one of those foreigners who can't open the snack packs? Okay, let's go the Desi way. These don't look like potato chips. I mean, they're probably dehydrated and then popped or something like that, like the ones we make at home. It's very light, but the texture isn't of potato chip at all. I don't know, it somehow feels that there is air trapped inside the potato chip. I mean, that's why probably it's popped. And I like the flavor of it, but there is definitely an aftertaste to it. Vishal, you wanna try? It's nice, but I don't know, it has somewhat of an aftertaste according to me. What do you say?
Okay. At least the air is inside the chips, not in the bag.
Yeah, there's plenty of air in the bag. You don't need to worry about that. It's fine. Vishal gave the previous one a try too. He kinda liked it. Was it spicy for you?
not spicy. It was probably, I'd say, masaledar.
Yeah, it was nice actually. I like the flavor of it.
This one right now, after I, after a few seconds, I'm able to get that aftertaste. Some Indian-y, spicy, masaledar taste only I'm getting.
Yeah, that's what it has. Somewhat of an aftertaste. I'm not able to pinpoint the aftertaste though. So the next one we have another one by 2Yum, and it's the multi-grain chips. It's in the flavor Dahi Papdi Chaat, which is Vishal's favorite type of chaat. Apart from Bhel Puri though. So it has 7 grains apparently, and it's baked and not fried as usual. So let's just open it and give it a try.
I have high expectations out of it now that it's called Dahi Papdi Chaat.
So yeah, oh, this thing is hard to open. Oh, finally. As soon as I opened it, I can actually smell dahi for some reason, and that's a good sign actually. Oh yes. There's no dahi in this, but I can taste dahi.
Give me, I want to try. Oh, yeah.
This is nice. It's mellow. You can actually taste the tamarind or the sweet chutney in it.
Yeah.
And a little bit of the chaat masala-y taste on that dahi papdi. And this is actually very, very nice. Oh my god, I didn't expect this to be this nice.
It tastes like that, when you split a part of the papdi which has dahi and sweet chutney on it, and then have it. Probably, missing out on the save and the onion and everything else. But if it was only papdi, dahi and sweet chutney, this is how
Yeah,
it tastes like.
but you know what? You can always go ahead. I mean, I think Vishal, what I can do is just put this on a plate, put a little bit of dahi on it, put a little bit of onions, green chutney, and a little more sweet chutney, and put a little bit of dhania on top, and we can just have it as a snack too. Yeah, that's actually a good thing. I mean, this
Make
is.
a video out of it as well.
I mean, this can be a low-cal dahi papdi itself if you're using this this as a namkeen in the bottom. And the next one, Vishal has definitely tried it, but I haven't. Haven't you, Vishal?
Yes, I've had the one which comes in that canister.
Yeah. So this is the Max Protein 7 grain protein snack. As you can see, it's in the flavor of piri piri. So let's just give it a try. It says it has 10 grams of protein for this bag, and it's a power snack. So hashtag power snack over here. So is it gonna open? No. I should have had a scissors actually, or just split it apart. It has that smoky taste to it. Garlic and red chili, which is standard for piri piri. Super crunchy. Doesn't feel at all oily. The others had like a tinge of oiliness to them. Even though they were baked, they had that a little bit. But this for some reason has no oiliness at all. This is nice. I like this. I need to try the other flavors too. I've already had Desi Masala, if I'm not wrong, from in this range. Vishal, have you purchased the Desi Masala once?
I've purchased Desi Masala, the cheese flavor, the jalapeno flavor.
I had the Desi Masala once. This is nice. We can actually, make a complete video of protein-rich snacks one day and probably try different flavors of this and that. So, moving on to the next one. This I have had plenty of times, to be honest. This is one of my favorite snacks right now. It's 2Yum potato sticks in the flavor aloo chaat. So, aloo chaat, like I was brought up in Delhi. So, aloo chaat is definitely one of those favorites of mine. And This I know I've tried before and I absolutely love it. So Vishal has also had this. This is like a standard in our house right now. I absolutely love this so much.
Chai and potato sticks.
I know, right? Chai and potato sticks. These are something that is like, it just makes your evening. Now we are moving on to something that I've not even seen before this video. So this is the Green Snack Company's 6-grain sticks, as you can see. And it's in the flavor Smoky Barbecue. Vishal loves anything barbecue flavored, don't you, Vishal?
Yes.
So apparently it's made with 6 grains like oats, ragi, sorghum, soya, maize and rice.
Are we going to barbecue nation again?
No, we're not. So it's gluten free too, and it's a good source of protein is what it says. So the whole pack is 99 calories. That's a plus point. Let's just give it a try and see how it is. Oh, these packs. Thank goodness. Ooh, I don't like that smell. It smells a little weird. It's very light. It looks kind of wormy.
Looks like a chakori.
Has that barbecue saucy taste to it. A little bit of garlic. And smoky. This is definitely not something that I enjoy. And I don't know if Vishal will like it. Vishal, give this a try now.
Yeah, it is justifiable to its name.
Yeah.
Smoky barbecue. So barbecue sauce is something that you basically don't prefer, and
Yeah, exactly.
but because I like barbecue sauce, I find it okay. I won't say like top notch, but it's
Okay.
eatable. Probably if I am bored, I want to eat something or snack on something that is healthy, I eat.
So yeah, this is not up to my palate actually. So this is more of Vishal's palate. So I think this is something that he will enjoy more than I will anyway. And yeah, so moving to the next one, we have the last product from 2Yum. It's the Karare. This is the one which is the knockoff from Kurkure. I won't say knockoff, but yeah, it's that similar thing like Kurkure.
Competitor for Kurkure.
Yeah, competitor, apparently healthier competitor for Kurkure. And it's in the flavor chili achari. And I love chili achar. So, hope this tastes something remotely like Kurkure or chili achar. In Kurkure, I love the green chutney flavor actually. Because that has that, that chili achar and that green chutney kind of flavor to it. So, that's something that I absolutely love. Now, yeah, I can actually smell the chili achar. This is nice.
Smell it from here.
Yeah. I can taste mustard. I can taste dhania, green chili, a little bit of peppercorn, and it's nice and sour. Vishal, we might have found a replacement for Kurkure.
Good. Healthier replacement.
Wow, that's nice. Give it a try now. It's actually very nice.
It tastes like that green chili chatka thing, but little more with a punch.
But it is natural. It doesn't feel unnatural or anything chemically in it.
Probably like one of those tastes properly like an achar which you would mix with your rice and
Yeah, it tastes nice. I mean, I am pretty sure. I mean, if I make we used to make kurkure chaat, remember? If you make a chaat out of this, I think that will be amazing. Because it lends itself perfectly to that, tastes. It has that green chili and that flavor which you want in that chaat. So I used to make kurkure chaat with like chopped onions, cucumber, and green chili, and tomatoes, and things like that. And put a little bit of lemon on top and eat it up. So I'm gonna try that with this tonight, probably when we are a little hungry, and see how it is.
Yay, 2 new video ideas.
And now we have the last one. This is by Open Secret. It's called Nutty Chips. So these chips are actually made with almonds, and this is in the flavor lemon chili almond butter. So I love lemon chili flavor in anything actually. Even when I'm ordering fries, if there is an option, I have lemon chili salt so that I can just put, flavor my fries like that. And we have piri piri, powder also. So let's see how the nutty chips, which are almond chips, taste like in the lemon chili almond butter flavor. Oh, I'm getting stronger. The chili is hitting me slightly in the back of my throat. Okay, this looks kind of weird. Yeah, that chili is definitely present. It looks like a nacho, which is, I don't know, folded over, or there is something is being sandwiched by 2 of these chips. It smells like almond. I can't smell any lemon and chili.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. It's salty and sweet. I can't taste lemon or chili or anything. Like, we've had peanut butter, right? So just think about peanut butter, but like almond butter way. So it's that salt, like slight saltiness of that, and the nut butter has always a little bit of sweetness. So that natural sweetness is there. I'm pretty sure there's no sugar added in this. Yeah, I can't taste any sugar, but there's the natural sweetness of the nut present in it. So I shall give it a try. I think you will like it. It's kind of healthy, but it has no lemon chili in it whatsoever. It's sandwiching almond butter probably.
Almond butter is the one which is pressing those 2 nachos together. But yeah, lemon and chili, somewhere it's if you're
it's a little sour in the end, but I cannot feel the lemon flavor.
Lemon and chili is hitting you on the throat when it goes down. I felt it.
Okay.
But obviously the dominant taste is
almond butter. Yeah. It's nice, it's healthy. I'm pretty sure it's very, very healthy. Yeah. It's nice. I like the flavor of it. If they say just almond butter, chips, nutty chips, I would definitely say yeah, they are. There's a slight sourness, but it doesn't feel that lemon flavored sourness in the end. And chili, I'm not really sure. I like it spicy, but this one I cannot feel the chili at all. So yeah, definitely something I feel if you are looking at healthy snacks, this is pretty nice in that way. I think a few, one bag will last you for two snacking sessions, because even eating 2 of them, I feel like okay, that's enough for now. So it is gonna definitely stop you from snacking too much, I can say that. And yeah, so those are the ones. I think we tried 8 different snacks today, and I pretty much liked every one of those except for the barbecue flavored one, because I don't like the barbecue sauce taste basically. Yeah, so that's it for today, and it was a nice tasting session. We're gonna have a few snack ideas coming up now, and Vishal is gonna have a snacking session of his own after this. So see you all later. Bye bye.